In this video we are going to go over the second step of an experiment, which is the pre-processing page. We will be covering the pre-processing panel on the left side of the screen. Pre-processing steps are required to prepare the data in order to have a more robust model. We have 18 pre-processing steps available. To help you better understand each pre-processing step, we have provided additional help documentation for each step. The red flags indicates that the pre-processing step is required to train a model. For new users that are not comfortable with running the pre-processing steps, we offer autopilot mode and recommendations. If you click on the Recommendations tab, you can see all of the smart recommendations that SML has generated for you. If you click on Autopilot mode, SML will automatically apply recommended pre-processing steps to your data. Let's try an example of how the pre-processing steps impact the table and column summary. If I click on the pre-processing step Remove feature and select Longitude, you can see that the longitude column is removed from the table. The pre-processing panel also allows users to undo or redo any step. Users can also go back to any step applied to the data by selecting the View User Activity Log. In this view you can restore the data to any point, and all of the changes made after it will be discarded.